My kids love anything called pasta. And once I see a pasta recipe, of course I'm going to try it. Now, I'm not an Italian, so don't come for me. This is a Jamaican girl running our kitchen. Now, let me show you how I made this roasted red peppers and tomato pasta sauce from scratch. So I seasoned my tomato, red pepper, garlic, and onion with some olive oil and some cool running seasoning. Yeah, Jamaican style we say. Baked it in the oven for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. Once it's done and look golden and nice like that, then you remove it from the oven and you let it cool. So while that's cooling, I'm going to go ahead and start cooking my pasta. So in a pot with hot water, I'm going to add my pasta. Then I think the tomato, the vegetables, that's cool enough. So now I'm going to transfer them to my blender. And we're going to blend everything up to a smooth puree consistency. So I'm adding everything, including the juice. So once it's baked, then of course the tomatoes and the peppers and the onions is going to be packed and full with its own flavor, right? And this is the cheat code of getting your kids to eat vegetables, even if they don't like the vegetable, right? My son enjoyed this. So there, I'm blending it up. And the pasta is almost done cooking. Once the pasta is done cooking, then you strain the pasta. And there is the sauce, nice and thick. So now we're going to add our olive oil, and that's my green seasoning I have with all the different herbs. Of course, I added that to the olive oil. Then I'll add my blended vegetables to the pot and some cooking cream, Parmesan cheese, and also some cream cheese. Now, I didn't measure anything. Again, this is a Jamaican girl running our kitchen. So I just eyeball everything and just add a little of this and a little of that to this pasta, right? Then we're going to add some more seasoning with salt, with a black pepper, oregano, and added some Italian seasoning also. Remember, this is already packed with herbs. So we already have our onions and our garlic, and in my green seasoning mix that I usually make from scratch from all the green vegetables and herbs from my garden, I usually keep that in store in the fridge. So now the sauce is combined, simmer down. Now we're going to add our cooked pasta that was drained and was ready. So you cook this al dente, that's what them call it. Yes, al dente. Not too soft. Don't overcook your pasta. And you can also drain it under water, cool water, so that if you're not ready to add it to the sauce as it doesn't overcook, right? That's the secret to your pasta. So there you go. The pasta look nice and creamy and nice and juicy, man. Watch that. So tell me now in the comments if you will be trying this quick and easy pasta recipe.